Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Configuring nginx as a reverse proxy, a comprehensive tutorial. Nginx is a powerful open-source web server that can also be used as a reverse proxy, load balancer, HTTP cache, and more. When acting as a reverse proxy, nginx sits in front of one or more backend servers, intercepting client requests and forwarding them to those servers. The backend servers then process the requests and send responses back to nginx, which then relays them back to the client. This tutorial will provide a detailed guide on configuring nginx as a reverse proxy, covering various aspects, including 1. Understanding the role of a reverse proxy ****. Security ** reverse proxies can hide the internal structure and IP addresses of your backend servers from the outside world, making it harder for attackers to directly target them. Load balancing ** They can distribute incoming traffic across multiple backend servers to prevent any single server from becoming overloaded. This ensures high availability and responsiveness. SSL termination * reverse proxies can handle SSL encryption/decryption, freeing up backend servers from this computationally intensive task. Caching * They can cache static content, images, CSS, JavaScript, to reduce the load on backend servers and improve response times. Improved performance * by offloading tasks like compression, SSL termination, and caching, reverse proxies can significantly improve the overall performance of your web applications. Centralized management * A single point of entry for your application simplifies monitoring, configuration, and security management. A/B testing * reverse proxies can direct different users to different versions of your application for A/B testing. 2. Prerequisites ***. A server with nginx installed. Installation instructions vary depending on your operating system. Here's a quick overview for common systems. Ubuntu/Debian sudo apt update and sudo apt install nginx. CentOS/RHEL sudo yum install nginx or sudo dnf install nginx. Mac OS, using homebrew brew install nginx. One or more backend servers, example web servers, application servers, that you want to proxy. These can be running on the same server as nginx or on separate servers. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume we have two backend servers. Server 1, runs on 192.168.1.10:8080 serving static content. Server 2, runs on 192.168.1.11:3000 serving a Node.js application. Basic understanding of networking concepts, IP addresses, ports, DNS. Root or sudo privileges to modify nginx configuration files. 3. Nginx configuration file structure ***. Nginx's configuration files are typically located in one of the following directories, depending on your OS. *etc/nginx/nginx.conf, the main nginx configuration file. This file often includes other configuration files. *etc/nginx/confd/, a directory where you can place individual configuration files for your websites or applications. These files are typically included in nginx.conf. *etc/nginx/sites available/, a directory where you can store configuration files for different websites. These files are typically linked to the *etc/nginx/sites enabled/ directory to enable them. *etc/nginx/sites enabled/, a directory containing symbolic links to the configuration files in /etc/nginx/sites available / that you want to enable. It's generally recommended to create a separate configuration file for each website or application in the /etc/nginx/sites available /directory and then create a symbolic link to that file in the /etc/nginx/sites enabled /directory. This makes it easier to manage your configurations. 4. Creating an nginx configuration file for reverse proxying ***. Let's create a new configuration file for our reverse proxy setup. We'll call it mywebsite.conf and place it in /etc/nginx/sites available /. Now, add the following configuration to the file. Explanation of the configuration ***. Server block * defines a virtual host. We have two server blocks, one for HTTP, port 80, which redirects all traffic to HTTPS, port 443, and one for HTTPS. * listen 80, and listen 443 SSL, * specifies the port nginx will listen on. Port 80 is the standard HTTP port, and port 443 is the standard HTTPS port. The SSL parameter indicates that the server block is configured for SSL/TLS. *server_name mywebsite.com www.mywebsite.com, * defines the domain names that this virtual host will handle. Replace mywebsite.com with your actual domain name. Return 301 https://$host$request_URI, inside the HTTP server block, this line performs a permanent redirect, 301, from HTTP to HTTPS. $host is the host name from the request, and $request_URI is the full URI, including path and query string. ***SSL_certificate/etc/nginx/ssl/mywebsite.com CRT, and ***SSL_certificate_key/etc/nginx/ssl/mywebsite.com key, * specifies the paths to your SSL certificate and private key. You'll need to obtain these from a certificate authority, CA, like Let's Encrypt. Make sure these paths are correct and the nginx process has read access to these files. You will need to create the SSL directory and place the certificate and key there. *SSL_protocols TLSV 1.2 TLSV 1.3, and SSL_ciphers high, ANULL, MD5, configures the SSL protocols and ciphers to use for secure communication. Using TLSV 1.2 and TLSV 1.3 with strong ciphers is crucial for security. *SSL_prefer_server_ciphers on, * instructs the server to prioritize its preferred ciphers over the client's. *root/var/www/mywebsite.com, and index.html index.htm, * defines the root directory for serving static files, like your main HTML file, and specifies the default index files. *location/. This location block handles requests that don't match any of the other more specific location blocks. Try _files $URI $URI/=404, will first look for the requested file, $URI, then a directory with that name, $URI/, and if neither exists, it will return a 404 error. *location/API/. ***. This is the crucial part for reverse proxying the Node.js application. *proxy_pass http://192.168.1.11:3000/ Asterisk this directive tells nginx to forward all requests to the /API/path to the backend server running at http://192.168.1.11:3000/ Asterisk make sure to include the trailing / at the end of the backend server address. This ensures that the path in the original request is appended to the proxied request. Asterisk if you don't include the trailing /, nginx will pass the entire path, including /API/ to the backend. Asterisk proxy _set header host $host, asterisk sets the host header in the request to the value of the original client's host header. This is important so the backend server knows which domain the request is for. Asterisk proxy _set header x real IP $remote address, asterisk sets the x real IP header to the client's IP address. This allows the backend server to know the actual IP address of the client, even though the connection is coming from nginx. Asterisk proxy _set header x forwarded for $proxy _add x forwarded for, asterisk appends the client's IP address to the x forwarded for header. This header is used to track the chain of proxies through which a request has passed. $proxy _add x forwarded for automatically adds the current proxy's IP to the existing x forwarded for header, if it exists. Asterisk proxy _set header x forwarded proto $scheme, asterisk sets the x forwarded proto header to either HTTP or HTTPS, depending on the protocol used by the client to connect to nginx. This allows the backend server to know whether the connection was secure. Asterisk proxy _buffering off, asterisk disables buffering of the response from the backend server. This is optional, but it can be useful for real-time applications or streaming content where you want to send data to the client as soon as it's available. Asterisk location / static / asterisk similar to the /API/ location, but this one proxies requests for static content, example images, CSS, JavaScript files, to the server at http://192.168.1.10:8080/. Asterisk expires 30D, asterisk sets the expires header for static content to 30 days. This tells browsers to cache the content for a longer period, reducing the load on the backend server and improving performance. Asterisk location /\.git. Asterisk this block prevents direct access to the .git directory, which can contain sensitive information about your source code. This is a security best practice. Deny all prevents all access to the directory, and return 404 returns a 404 error to the client, masking the existence of the directory. 5. Enabling the configuration ****. After creating the configuration file, you need to enable it by creating a symbolic link in the /etc/nginx/sites enabled /directory. 6. Removing the default configuration, optional. If you don't need the default nginx configuration, you can remove it by unlinking its symbolic link. 7. Testing and reloading nginx ***. Before reloading nginx, it's crucial to test your configuration for syntax errors. If the test is successful, you'll see syntax is OK and test is successful, you can reload nginx to apply the changes. Or, if you prefer. 8. Obtaining and configuring SSL certificates, let's encrypt. Using SSL certificates is highly recommended for securing your website. Let's Encrypt provides free SSL certificates. Installation ***. First install certbit. Ubuntu /Debian *** sudo apt install certbit Python 3 certbit nginx. Asterisk CentOS/RHEL asterisk sudo yum install certbit python 3 certbit nginx or sudo dnf install certbit python 3 certbit nginx. Obtaining a certificate asterisk. Run the following command, replacing mywebsite.com and www.mywebsite.com with your actual domain names. Certbit will automatically configure nginx to use the certificates and renew them automatically. It will ask you some questions, like your email address. Follow the prompts. After certbit completes, it will modify your nginx configuration file, the one we created earlier, to include the necessary SSL settings. It might even create the redirect from HTTP to HTTPS for you. Review the changes to make sure they match your expectations. Verification asterisk. Visit your website, https://mywebsite.com, in a web browser to verify that the SSL certificate is installed correctly. You should see a padlock icon in the address bar, indicating a secure connection. 9. Complete configuration example after certbit ***. The mywebsite.conf file after running certbit might look like this. Key changes made by certbit. *SSL_certificate and *SSL_certificate_key, point to the Let's Encrypt certificate files. Include /etc/let's encrypt/options /SSL nginx.conf, includes a file with recommended SSL settings. *SSL_param /etc/let's encrypt/SSL params.pem, includes a file containing Diffie-Hellman parameters for stronger key exchange. 10. Advanced configuration options ***. Load balancing ***. If you have multiple backend servers for the same application, you can configure nginx to load balance traffic between them. First, define an upstream block. Nginx will automatically distribute traffic between the servers defined in the upstream block. You can also specify different load balancing methods. *round robin, default distributes requests in a round-robin fashion. *least_con, sends requests to the server with the fewest active connections. *IP_hash, hashes the client's IP address to select a server, ensuring that the same client always connects to the same server. *fair, requires a third-party module, distributes requests based on the server's response time. Example using least_con. *caching*. Nginx can cache static and dynamic content to improve performance. Here's a basic example of caching static content. You'll also need to define the cache zone in the HTTP block of your nginx.conf file. *proxy_cache_path, defines the cache directory, /var/cache/nginx, levels of subdirectories, a name for the cache zone, my_cache, the size of the cache key zone, 10 M, the maximum size of the cache, 10 G, the inactivity period before an item is removed from the cache, 60 M, and disables the use of temporary paths. *health checks*. Nginx Plus, the commercial version, provides built-in health check functionality to automatically remove unhealthy backend servers from the load balancing pool. For open source nginx, you can use a third-party module like nginx_http_upstream_check_ module to achieve similar functionality. Client certificates, mutual TLS. To enhance security even further, you can require clients to present a valid client certificate before allowing access to your application. This is known as mutual TLS, MTLS. Configuring MTLS is a more advanced topic, but it's possible with nginx. 11. Troubleshooting ***. *502 Bad gateway*. This error usually indicates that nginx cannot connect to the backend server. Check the following. Is the backend server running? Is the backend server listening on the correct port? Is there a firewall blocking connections between nginx and the backend server? Is the proxy_pass directive configured correctly? *404 not found*. This error can indicate several things. The requested file or resource does not exist on the backend server. The root directory is not configured correctly. The try_files directive is not configured correctly. The proxy_pass directive is not configured correctly, resulting in the wrong path being forwarded to the backend. Configuration errors. Always test your nginx configuration with sudo nginxt before reloading nginx. Permissions issues. Ensure that the nginx process has the necessary permissions to access the SSL certificate files and the cache directory. Logs. Check the nginx error logs, /var/log/nginx/error.log, and access logs, /var/log/nginx/access.log, for more information about errors and requests. 12. Security considerations. *********************************************************************************************************************่. Update nginx to the latest version to patch security vulnerabilities. Use strong SSL ciphers. Configure nginx to use strong SSL ciphers and protocols, TLS v1.2 and TLS v1.3, to protect against man-in-the-middle attacks. Disable unnecessary modules. Disable any nginx modules that you don't need to reduce the attack surface. Rate limiting. Implement rate limiting to prevent denial of service, DOS, attacks. Web application firewall, WAF. Consider using a WAF, example mod security, to protect against common web application attacks. Regular security audits. Conduct regular security audits of your nginx configuration to identify potential vulnerabilities. This comprehensive tutorial provides a solid foundation for configuring nginx as a reverse proxy. Remember to adapt the configuration examples to your specific needs and environment. Good luck.